good. That's a lie. Just lie. You must return to the Father, men and women, if you want to be free. So congratulations to the great white hope. What manner of man is this? Donald Trump, the wind and the sea obeys him. They call him king. They call him daddy. I call him the great white hope. Did you know he's over in the UK right now? Being treated like a king. And in America, they call him king. They have rallies for the king in America. I want you to know you can change. You don't have to live this way. You don't have to stay evil if you realize that you are evil. And be honest with yourself. And I want you to know this so you have a clue of what evil is. Anyone that has anger / resentment is evil. It cannot be trusted. Anyone that is shy, have fear, emotional, doubtful, compare themselves to others, have a whole bunch of different identities inside of them, worry, anxiety, stress, Asperger, suicidal thoughts, or whatever, looking for love, trying to find somebody to love you. No, excuse me. Nobody loves you and you love nobody. You're evil. You're attacked. You're evil. All that stuff is evil. Just so you know, and then when you examine yourself, you won't be deceived. An emotional speech is not a powerful speech. An emotional speech is an emotional speech that emotional people hear, and because they feel emotional, they call it powerful. A powerful speech is the one that points you back to the Father. That's a powerful speech. The one that point out what is wrong and point you back to overcoming it. So you can be free. All people, it doesn't matter who you are, what color you are. And it's a lie that someone can hold you back from becoming free. That's a lie. No one can hold you back. If you were in charge of your own world, if you were made whole, if you were one